Still creating inventory reports manually? Imagine tracking sales, profit, stock levels, top products, and business performance from a single Excel screen. No ERP, no expensive software, just one powerful Excel dashboard that does it all. Let me show you the Inventory Intelligence Center. Before we explore the dashboard, let me quickly show you how easy it is to create. Simply open the VBA editor using Alt plus F11, insert a new module, and paste the VBA code. Next, return to Excel and insert a rounded rectangle shape from the Insert tab. Rename it to Create Dashboard. Now simply right-click the shape, select Assign Macro, choose the Dashboard macro, and click OK. That's it. Before I click this magic button, if you'd like this complete dashboard template and VBA code, comment Inventory below this video, and I'll share the download link. Now let's click the button and watch Excel transform raw inventory data into a professional Inventory Intelligence Center dashboard in just a few seconds. And there it is. Our dashboard is ready. Now let's explore each section and discover the powerful business insights hidden inside. Let's start with the KPI section. This is the first thing users see when they open the dashboard, and it provides a quick snapshot of overall business performance. Here, we can instantly track total revenue, total profit, units sold, total expenses, profit margin, and the top performing category. These key metrics help decision makers understand business performance at a glance without going through thousands of rows of data. In this example, the business has generated $3.85 million in revenue, earned $1.67 million in profit, sold over 140,000 units, and achieved a healthy profit margin of 43.5%. This section acts as the dashboard's command center, giving management the most important insights in just a few seconds. Monthly performance analysis. Next, we have the monthly performance chart. This visual compares revenue, profit, and expenses month by month, helping us quickly identify trends, peak performing months, and areas that need attention. It's a simple way to understand business performance over time. Category performance analysis. Here, we can analyze performance across different product categories. This chart helps us identify which categories generate the most revenue and profit, making inventory planning and purchasing decisions much easier. A great way to spot your strongest business segments. Top products analysis. This section highlights the best performing products in the business. It helps identify top sellers, high revenue products, and fast-moving inventory so stock can be managed more effectively and sales opportunities are never missed. Supplier performance insights. The supplier analysis section helps evaluate supplier contribution and inventory distribution. With this information, businesses can make better purchasing decisions and manage supplier relationships more effectively. Smart filters and interactivity. One of my favorite features is the interactive slicers. With just a few clicks, users can filter the entire dashboard by different criteria, and every KPI and chart updates instantly. This makes analysis fast, simple, and dynamic. VBA automation benefits. What makes this dashboard even more powerful is VBA automation. From dashboard creation to formatting and chart generation, everything is automated, saving hours of manual work and delivering professional results in seconds.